Hello guys, in this video I will be getting my assault rifle gold, and bro, I didn't know I was left with only 5 kills only to unlock it. So I will be hopping on a 1v1, hopefully it's 1, so it's gonna be a short one. By short one, I mean the video will be short. So editor swipe left. Oh man, I wish I could go on knife, but the grind comes first. He also thinks he is weird, the YouTuber, and missed me. Oh no, I'm so low. Let's go. Lag ain't gonna stop me, ha 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 ha. More kill, let's go. Finally got my gold assault rifle, and let's go test it in the shooting range. Honestly, I prefer plastic, but gold is gold.